So let's have a look now at fractions of amounts. So if I want to find, like question A, it says 1/3 of 18. Now let's draw a little bar model for this, okay? So let's say I've got a bar and that represents 18, okay? To find 1/3 of it, it's like I'm splitting it into 3 equal bits, okay? Finding one of those pieces, what size would that be, okay? So when I'm splitting that into 3 equal pieces, what that means is I'm dividing it. I'm dividing it by 3, okay? And that gives us 6. So we've got kind of 6, 6, and 6. My answer is going to be 6. That one block would represent 6. Okay, let's try the next one. So I've got 3/4 of 20. So imagine I've got a bar now that represents 20. Okay, and I'm splitting it into 4 equal bits. I'm finding quarters. Okay, and then I want to know what 3/4 are. So 3 bits of 3 of these chunks. Okay, so the first thing I did there was I split it into 4 equal bits. 20 divided by 4, and that's going to give me 5. So there's like 5 in each box. And then I'm finding 3 lots of 5, 3 lots of that. Okay, and so that's going to be 3 lots of 5, 5 lots of 3, same deal. Is 15 is my final answer. Okay, so it's like I'm dividing by the bottom of the fraction and multiplying by the top. Okay, let's not bother with a bar this time. Okay, so you can imagine it in your head. I'm splitting 28 into 7 equal pieces, dividing by 7, that gives me 4. And then I'm taking what's in like one of those boxes, and I want 5 lots of that. So that's 20. 4 times 5 is 20. Easy peasy. And it doesn't matter. Look, see how the top number here is bigger than the bottom? That doesn't matter at all. Okay, so I'm going to take 56 and divide it into 2. Oh, I'm not sure what that is off the top of my head. Let's set out a sum. Always fine just to set up a little sum off to the side. Oh, this is a bit squinty, but let's not worry about it. So how many 2's go into 5? That's 2. 2 2's is 4, so 1 left over to get me up to the 5. And then how many 2's go into 16? That's 8. So it's going to be 28. Okay, oh, and then I'm going to take that 28 and I've got 9 lots of that. 28 times 9, oh, I'm definitely going to need to do a sum for that. Okay, 28 times 9, 8 times 9's what, 72? Sounds good. 2 times 9 is 18. Add on the 7 is 25, so 252. I suppose you kind of could do that in your head. See if you did 28 times 10 in your head, and you know that's 280. That's 10 lots. You'd need 9 lots. You're going to take away 280, take away 28. So I'm going to think about like taking away 30 and adding on 2. 280 take away 30, that's 250. Add on the 2, 252. Okay? But always show you're working, okay? Especially in a test when you're not sure. Don't try and do everything in your head. Okay, but that's how you find a fraction of an amount.